welcome to Muckersworld. We're in the top end of Dubai Creek today. As you can see behind me, there's some old dhows that they've parked up. It's a working creek, so the dhows actually are here not just for the tourists, but they actually work. They take stuff to Iran. I think it takes about 4 days. But these ones, as you can see, are a bit worse for wear. I think they've been parked up really for a bit of TLC. Everybody needs a bit of TLC. Even I do. Even you do. Everybody does. I hope you've got someone to give you TLC. If you don't, no worries. You have the pleasure of my company. Good morrow, good morning. How is everyone today? I hope you're bright and breezy. It is now 7:35 in the morning, and we're on Dubai Creek. But this is the top end of town, as in you can be really. What I do like about this area is that behind that big white building you can actually see the lights of the Burj Khalifa and the skyscrapers of Sheikh Zayed Road. Then you compare that with the traditional dhows in the thing here, and also then you have just on the other side of the road all the traditional buildings. So it's a nice mix of everything. How is everybody today? As you can see by the slight panting, I'm going to do a brusque yomp for you so as not to take up too much of your time. But thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for taking your sister, your brother, your friend, your enemy to subscribe to me. Please help. It's free and every subscriber helps. Now here's a nice panoramic I wanted to show you. As you can see, calm creek today, not too much busy, but look at that. Ain't that nice petunia? And then you got modern iconic buildings. Now the thing is though, is this time in the morning, at this neck of the woods, lots of people are out exercising. Now, the only reason I got up today was for you people. Doing exercises is not really my cup of tea, to be honest. But when you're from the Isle of Man and you're a young whippersnapper, you don't need to exercise. You're young, fit, healthy, like a stallion. Dun, 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 dun. Hopefully you're getting some of the sunrise, which is quite iconic here. See, ain't this nice? Serene, relaxing, fit and healthy. All stuff that people should be doing. Look after your body, look after your health, look after your mind. Flipping egg, don't let negative thoughts take into your mind. Scary Mary when that happens. Anyhow, you might be back at work now, because it's the 27th today. Depends on where you are in the world. And whatever you're doing, I hope you're fit, happy, well, and enjoying. See, even by the creek, lots of greenery. So, what I'll do is I'll go this way. So, you can see the dowels. Some of the dowels, seagulls. Everybody has seagulls. I think they must be like pigeons and synonymous with everywhere in the world. Oh, the sun has got his hat on, hip 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 of rain. The sun has got his hat on and he's coming out to play. Oh, pardon me for being so rude. I do apologise. Will you forgive me? Hopefully you will. Thank you very much. Now, there's lots to see, but basically most of the stuff is behind me, and I don't know how good this camera is, but as you can see, that's, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, by anybody's standards, that's a nice panorama. Yes? Good. Please comment, please like, please let me know. I know I'm not perfect. Hold on. Oh yeah, what's that? Oh Lord, it's hard to be humble, and I'm perfect in every way. I can't wait to look in the mirror. I get better looking each day. To know me is to love me. I must be one hell of a man. Oh Lord, it's hard to be humble, but I'm doing the best that I can. Thank you very much. Michael's left the building. Right. Now, I will do one final stop. And this one is especially for Evgenia, so I hope she's still watching. And I hope she still remembers the scary time we had on the red bus tour, when we went to this cafe as we waited the Dow cruise. And yeah, it's still scary, Mary. But this will be my closing thoughts as I do a 360. Just go back a bit so she can see. There you go. That is the cafe that we stopped in. There's the sun coming out. And here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is Dubai Creek in the morning. Quite impressive, yes? Even though I say so myself. Hope you're not getting dizzy. Let the camera focus. There, she blows. Yay! Take care, God bless everybody. Please like, subscribe, share to friends, family, foes. Thank you very much. I know I keep asking, but I've only got 65 subscribers, but no problems. Onwards and upwards. Take care. God bless. Thank you very much. Cheers, ears.